How to connect your Facebook page to Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, you will have to make your Instagram a professional account. So to do so, launch your Instagram application and then tap on your profile icon from your bottom right corner. Now tap on the menu bar. Then after that, scroll down and then go to account type and tools. Then go to switch to professional account. Keep on tapping continue and then select what is your category. And after doing all these, you will get an option of creating or connecting your Instagram with your Facebook page. So in order to do so, simply click on the menu bar again, and now go to the menu bar and then go to creator tools and control. After that, go to connect or create, then select continue, then connect to your Facebook. Simply log into your Facebook and make sure you after that connect to your Facebook page using by logging into your Facebook page via the Facebook interface, and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll